top of the world, Ma. Had other plans for today, but the new Jeep's a piece of shit. I ended up having to take a little bit of a shorter dealie. I'm on one of the most beautiful spots that nobody barely know about. I don't think I'm gonna give it away.
You got it?
Oh, he is.
You see it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's weird.
It's like,
Got the brats going. So my plans kind of got disappointed today. Freaking was trying to go up to this new spot and got the kids and the dog and the Yeti and not too much crazy stuff in this little 4-banger, the new Jeep, and freaking transmission. It was getting a transmission overheat, like it was just getting its ass beat. It was windy. Anyways, long story short, we have to get into maybe another video. Couldn't even do what I wanted to do today, so started going back home, and I'm like, man, I know a spot. I'll go up there and we should be able to get there. So we made it. Nice little out in the middle of nowhere. This spot, you gotta know where it's at. It's on the map, but it's hard to find. Not hard to find, I don't know whatever, but it's far enough away from people and hard enough to find that there's not really anybody ever up here. They got showers up here too. Horseshoe pit, volleyball. Look at this fool. I'm about to eat this fool. I'm getting hungry. It's like, look at that fool. It's like a freaking whatever, Gia monster. So we got some brats going. Two for each of us. Hope everybody's hungry. Spending the weekend in the Mother Nature's rattlesnake trail back there. Pretty cool. It's like don't mess with the rattlesnakes, they won't mess with you. You know, all types of info on this little tiny trail. What is it? 523 feet long. Pretty cool. Anyways, enjoy. Bite sight. A smashed shale rock. Supposed to be some fossils in here. Looks like everybody's smashing shit and digging holes. Really what this spot looks like, people are just crazy for messing up nature. They just can't help themselves to mess some shit up. It's just like this forever out here. This little crushed shell over here. Nice little spot. Make some freaking arrowheads out of this or something. I don't know if I'm gonna be digging for fossils, but it's pretty cool. They got a sign. I'll record it and throw it on here. Let me know what y'all think if anybody's been over here. Trilobite site. Skin and Bones dog. She's about to have to go to the Animal Foundation. Pretty crazy. Blue stuff, green stuff. Pretty cool, man.